Hey adventurers, it's Lacey here. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following our family's adventures, you know that we've been to some pretty amazing places. But this story, this one takes the cake for crazy travel adventures, doesn't it, Adam?
Absolutely. We've been to a lot of places, but nothing quite like this Rome trip. Picture this: train delays, a wild hotel stay, and navigating some of Italy's most famous sites. And trust me, we've got a lot of stories to share today. So buckle up, grab your favorite snack, and get ready for our Rome adventure.
Yep, it's gonna be a fun one.
We couldn't find clothes that matched our vibe, so we made them.
Now people stop us and say, "Where did you get that shirt?"
We smile and say upbeatoutfits.com.
You want to match the vibe? You know where to go.
Click the link below and check it out.
Now let's dive into the chaos that started with our train ride from Switzerland to Rome.
So we were supposed to take an overnight train from Switzerland to Rome. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, that didn't quite go as planned.
Let me just say, traveling through train stations in Europe is like a whole other world. The first hiccup came when our train from Switzerland was delayed. So instead of a smooth ride, we were frantically trying to catch a connection in Milan.
And let me tell you, Milan's train stations, pure chaos. People everywhere trying to sell you secondhand tickets, and honestly, it felt like we were on a reality TV show trying to avoid getting scammed.
Totally. At one point, we just had to keep our heads down, ignore the shifty ticket guys, and trust our gut. But guess what? Yeah, we missed our connection. And that's when the stress levels kind of hit the roof because we realized the next train doesn't leave until morning, and there is no way we are asking our kids to sleep overnight in the train station.
Yep. So we had to stay in Milan for the night. But don't worry, we managed to find a Hilton hotel just a block away from the station. And honestly, that was a lifesaver.
Right? We walked in and it was absolutely beautiful. The staff were amazing and so accommodating. It felt like home, which helped the stress level of the day just kind of melt away. And then we slept like babies. I swear those beds were like sleeping on clouds after that full day of travel madness.
Every pillow felt like a dream. So after a good night's sleep, we were finally ready to get to Rome the next day. And that's when the fun really started.
Alright, so fast forward to Rome. We finally get to our Airbnb, which, let me tell you, was the quirkiest spot ever.
Oh, this place was wild. First off, the elevator. We thought it was just one of those old school charming ones that you see in the movies. But no, this elevator only fit one person and their luggage. Just one. We had to go up one at a time with our bags. It was hilarious.
Yeah, definitely a workout. It was like a solo ride every time. One person, one suitcase, and a prayer that the elevator didn't get stuck halfway up. But the apartment itself was amazing, right?
Totally. It had this historic vibe, but the views absolutely stunning. Perfect home base for our adventures in Rome.
So after we settled in, we had an action-packed day ahead of us. First stop, the Rome Temple. The visitor center at the temple is one I think everyone should visit. To see the statue of Christ surrounded by the 12 apostle statues was amazing. Not to mention the beautiful stained glass mural with all its hidden messages. If you want to know the secrets, just talk to the missionaries and they'll be happy to let you in on all the hidden meanings and stories that lie within that mural. Absolutely mesmerizing.
Next up, Vatican City. We booked our tour through Get Your Guide, and we couldn't have been more excited. I mean, growing up, I did a whole school report on Vatican City. I was a little nerdy about it, and I always dreamt of visiting, but seeing it in person, wow.
The Sistine Chapel was unreal. The artwork, especially Michelangelo's creation of Adam, was so breathtaking. But it's sad that they don't allow you to take pictures in there. Totally understandable though. The whole space is awe-inspiring.
And then we walked through St. Peter's Square, and guess what? They were setting up for some big celebration, so it was all festive and full of energy. Plus, we got to see the Swiss Guard in their awesome uniforms.
I was so excited for you to see all of this in person after doing a report all those years ago. It's like a bucket list moment for you. And then to experience it on the same day as the temple, which has been on my bucket list since that was built, so awesome. It was an incredible experience for me to feel such a contrast in the spirit between them.
Absolutely. And then, of course, we had to do the when in Rome thing and grab some pasta and pizza. Because if you're in Rome and you're not eating pizza, what are you even doing?
Next up, we hit the Colosseum, and I have to say, even though we couldn't go inside because it was sold out, we still got to see it from the outside, and that, mind-blowing.
It's just one of those places where you stand there and think, wow, history happened here. Like gladiators fought in that very arena. That kind of history is so surreal.
We were totally ready for some more adventures, though. The next morning, Adam and Atlantis woke up early to go see the Spanish Steps, even though it was a little rainy. But they didn't let that stop them, did ya?
Nope, not at all. We got drenched, but it was totally worth it. The steps were gorgeous and the vibe around them is just perfect for a morning walk.
Rain or shine, we were making memories. And that's what I love about this life of travel. Every moment counts. So after all the chaos, the missed train, the scams, and the long days of sightseeing, I think this trip to Rome is definitely one we won't forget.
Absolutely. It wasn't perfect, but it was perfect for us. And sometimes the best memories come from the messiest moments, right?
Exactly. And that's why we love sharing these adventures with you, because it's not always glamorous, but it is always worth it.
And if you've ever had a travel mishap, we want to hear your stories. Drop a comment below and let us know what happened. We love connecting with you.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future adventures. And hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really does help us out.
Until next time, keep living your adventurous life, escape the ordinary, and embrace the extraordinary.
See you in the next video. Adventurepreneurs out. Let's try not to make faces. You would. I love that.
Take it a little bit.
Try not to. There it is, the tongue. There it is. There it is.
Yeah, that's really sour.
Good? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.